We're Akari Therapeutics, and we are a late-stage biotech company. We're focused on developing medicines for people with autoimmune or inflammatory diseases, and really have a late-stage program that's very exciting and pediatric indication that is, unfortunately, for children who have a disease that is about 80% fatal. And there are no approved therapies. So we are, as you can imagine, trying to move with some urgency to move that program forward. Talent, 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 absolutely. In biotech, I would say it is in Boston, perhaps unrivaled around the world as far as the biotech talent and the innovation that happens here, as well as the investment. So all of those things really contribute to such a vibrant ecosystem for us. So we are headquartered out of London and now have established Boston as our U.S. headquarters and really have been active in building out our team here. And it's just such a fantastic place to find people with the right experience and also with the kind of innovative and scrappy mindset that you need to persevere through drug development, which is definitely a challenging endeavor. One thing that's really interesting in biotech is there's a lot of very interesting science, and I think as we pursue different indications or drugs, target certain diseases. There are many things that fail before things succeed, and I think one of the interesting benefits as well when you think about building a team, but also needing the kind of flexibility to bring in some additional resources, perhaps with very little notice. Or sometimes, we have challenges and we reprioritize. And there's such I think a great kind of atmosphere here of almost like sharing talent across various organizations that it does make it just easier for us to be able to move with speed when we need to accelerate or change directions. So it's a fantastic place to be, and I say really special. I've lived in many places and run teams and companies in different places. It's a special atmosphere here in Boston. I was the first person on the team in Massachusetts for Akari, and one of the advantages right away of just making the decision to build out the team here is that, of course, I was able to find folks very quickly to come in and join the work and the kind of drive our programs forward with that same sense of urgency that is really required in what we do. I would say in a short time we realized that working remotely was pretty difficult, so we were kind of all around the area, but we had no physical space to come together. And while we all learned how to do that during the pandemic, it's not ideal, especially when you're building new teams. And so we were able to very quickly find a flexible space to come together. And we leveraged different places around the Boston area for a while. And now we've established, of course, an office in the Seaport. And it just makes all the difference, being able to bring the team together. And I think, one of the nice things of, some of the investments I mentioned, that's one of the real attractions here. Some of the investments, even in real estate, and it seems kind of basic, but the investment in real estate and having that opportunity to get the right place at the right time to bring your team together, and also to know that you can grow your team and move around to something different as you need it. It's just maybe you consider it a back office thing, but it really is contributing to our ability to achieve the work that we're setting out to achieve. So it's been great so far. I can't complain, and it's wonderful to have the team together.